Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a little mini planner. I have this little notebook here to kind of give you some comparisons and to show you what I purchased. So on Amazon, I purchased this mini ring planner. Comes in this little box wrapped up, and it is dated for, I believe, 2022, but I just wanted to show you. So it's a Filofax Finsbury organizer in the size mini. So as you probably know, if you are not new to my channel, that I did purchase the pocket size in the same slate gray. I do have a personal size, so now I have the personal pocket. And when I saw this little cutie, I thought this is perfect for, you know, carrying as a little wallet. It is like in between, obviously, the personal size and the pocket size. So I thought this would be cute as, you know, just a little notebook if I didn't want to carry my pocket or my personal size, like carry a full planner, if I won't be needing a planner at the moment, so I can jot down things in here. So I was carrying around this little notebook. Let's give you the measurements. So this is 3.5 inches by 4 point, I think pretty much a little bit less than 5 inches. It's not quite 4.75, but as you can see, it's around the same size as this. So I wanted to just get a little notebook, you know, sometimes switch it out. I love to switch around my planners and my notebooks. It does have four rings, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So slightly smaller than, you know, a pocket, and it says it's 15 millimeters and 0.6 inches rings. It is very reminiscent of rings that belong in the Louis Vuitton small ring agenda, and I just thought it was super cute. So I'm just going to take this out and show you what it looks like. And I thought this would be a good, as I said, alternative to when I don't want to carry around my pocket. If I just need something sort of to write down, you know, my wish list, things I need to get. But I can also put, you know, a few cards in here. So you do get 3 card slots in here. You get a mini zip at the back for change. So you could use this as a wallet. And then you have your notes and stuff like that in here. So let's take a look. So I love that, you know, Filofax like keeps all their stuff like really nicely packaged, and everything is so neat in here. And in the back, you do get an open pocket here, so you could put bills in there. It is a perfect little carry. And in here, you just have your 2022 year on a page. As you can see, this is why a lot of people don't love a PM or small ring agenda, because as you see, the rings are super tight. So I will be taking out most of these inserts so that it will obviously open and close relatively easy. So let's take them out, look at what the inserts look like. And I can see that it's probably very similar to how Filofax always sends their inserts. So you have your Filofax page, week on 2 pages. So you have a 2023 calendar, which I will keep in there. You have like your personal page, and it does come in multiple languages, which I wouldn't need. So I could put the different languages to the side. Then you have your, this is a national information. I don't know what that means, but I will put that to the side. And that's the thing. It is always like multiple, sorry, my alarm's going off. There's multiple different, you know, sheets here that you don't need. You have like Filofax sheets and stuff that you can order, I think. So like pens. These are some write and erase pens that Filofax looks like they offer, which I might definitely, I might check that out because I love erasable pens. And then you have your note section to start off, I believe, your year. And then this starts from December 2021. And then you go into 2022. One thing I like about ordering things that are outdated is that you're going to, I really need it for this. Just, you know, the actual, you know, meat of the planner And then you can always redate these. So if you have little, you know, stickers, redate your inserts and continue to use them. I would mainly use this just for, you know, putting notes and stuff like that in here. So that is what it looks like. And even the holes are much smaller. It's super cute. And it will go all the way to December of 2022. And then you have some note pages here that are blank, as well as an address section. So you can put names, address, phone numbers in here, which I'm assuming most people carry most of those things in, you know, in their phone. But let me know if you write down addresses and phone numbers. I do try to put some passwords and write down some sort of phone numbers that are important, because let's be honest, most people don't remember phone numbers anymore if they needed to call in an emergency or if their phone was dead. So it's always good to carry. So that is it. As you can see, sort of a lot of sheets. I definitely wouldn't carry all of them at the same time. I think what I will do is redate and carry it with me if I need it. That way I can write down, sort of, you know, use it as a date book, I would say. And that's it. So super cute. As I said, it is the Filofax Finsbury Mini, and I love that it is real leather. You have one pocket here, and it's a perfect cute little mini carry. So I just wanted to show you what else you could use in conjunction with obviously what comes with it. But these are micro notes from Dollar Tree. Happy Planner has the same disc bound micro notes, so you could buy refill packages. It's definitely going to take a little bit of work. So what I did was I actually took one of these out, and it will fit in here. So if you are able to, I have a big paper trimmer so I can cut multiple at a time. And what I did was actually punch one of these to see if it would work before I show it to you, so I can give you a quick little tutorial. So what I would do is I have my A7 punch, and that punches 6 holes. And this one is actually adjustable, but I have it taped specifically just for a pocket size. But I'll show you how to modify that. So all I would do is I would trim off the excess paper here. And I do have, as I said, a bigger like guillotine, but for showing you on here. So as you can see, you have 6 punches. What I would do is just move it up 1. So as you can see, I'm not using this last punch here. I'm just going straight and right above the 5th punch and then punching it. So now I have only 5, and you see it's nice and even. And then in here, it works perfectly and it fits in there nicely. So I could have some extra note paper in here. And if I just close it up, then I am good to go. So if you want to use what you have, use your stash, cut down paper, you can do that. And then sometimes I'll slit my paper. So that will fit in there for, you know, $1.25. You get quite a bit of refill paper. I've obviously put like 3 different books in here because I've used up most of like for papers from each of them. But yeah, so that is a quick tutorial as well as an unboxing of this Filofax Finsbury, and this is the mini size. So if you have any questions, definitely leave it down below. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you guys on another video. Take care. Bye.